Hey everyone, it's Alicia McFarland from aliciamcfarland.com. I wanted to share with you a new website project that I just finished up where I use subdomains to help an entertainment company maximize the benefit of an additional physical location and also streamline their reservation process. So Jennifer and Ann are the owners of 417 Escape Artist in Springfield, Missouri. They were struggling with how to update their website to let people know about their second location in Branson, Missouri, and make the online reservation process a lot easier for everyone now that they were going to have two locations to manage. So I helped them solve this problem by using subdomains for each location and then just taking their main domain, 417escapeartist.com, into this page. It's very simple. One page gives people a choice to select Springfield or Branson. And when they click on one, it takes them to the full site for either location where they can book using the new Acuity scheduling process, or learn more about what an escape room is, see testimonials about the escape rooms, or also just click and learn more about specific rooms. So what is this 417 Lounge escape room about, and how does this all work? When do I need to get there? How long is it going to take? And then also go through the reservation process. So I help them with this setup to maintain their current SEO value from their main domain, and also reduce any confusion for their repeat customers or people who are not sure about which location they may want to reserve at. So if you or someone you know is struggling with this, have them reach out to me or go to aliciamcfarland.com, where they can schedule a 20-minute call with me and maybe can figure out if maybe using subdomains for their expansion of their business might work for them. So go to aliciamcfarland.com, schedule a 20-minute call, and I will see if I can help you out. Thanks so much for watching.